Hey everybody, it's Matty here with Altcoin Buzz. Hope you're having a very nice Monday. And today we're going to talk about all kinds of things. Don't forget, we're still giving away that Doe Harris Ser Ether Night collectible to the person in the comments whose comment we like the best, as long as you include your wallet address so we can send out the shard to you. We're also going to talk about Tether today. We're talking about Zeux app, stablecoins as they relate to some other things with the SEC. Dash is in the news on a related topic. They're doing pretty well. We'll talk briefly about Kin, Alibaba, and Coinbase fees, which are being raised on the Pro exchange. But let's begin with this quick update tweet by Unibright at Unibright.io. We are happy to announce we are product ready. Medium.com/@Unibright. And if you click on that link, you're going to be able to check out the story here in full. Pardon the interruption. The Unibright framework is product ready. We are leaving beta status. So congratulations to Unibright. We've covered much of their progression and their development on altcoinbuzz.io. We are happy to tell you that our Unibright framework is now product ready. Once again, we have been faster than our initial roadmap proposed, which is always good, and explain what great perspectives will arise from that. We're going to have to leave it at that because we have a lot to cover today, but if you want to check out the rest of this story and see what else Unibright is up to, then do be sure to check out this Medium post. We'll link to it in the description below. And today in the news, we have this article by Licia, More Tether Drama. What is it pegged to? You may have heard about some of this. A new update on Tether's site made everyone wonder once again, what is it actually backed by, if perhaps not the US dollar? Tether's reputation, writes Licia, has always been shaky. Since its inception, multiple crypto observers doubted whether the US dollar actually backed it. A Redditor called Yu Toyaka has fanned the flames. He noticed that there was a change on Tether's site. Originally, it said that the US dollar backs every USDT. Now, the company says that there are other assets backing it. These include currency and cash equivalents and, quote, from time to time, other assets. Apparently, quote, receivables from loans made by Tether to third parties, which may include affiliated entities, also back it. I don't want to pull you guys down the rabbit hole of conspiracies that is Tether drama, but if you want to dig more into this and get Licia's take and her opinion on the issue, then you can do so here. You can read about some of the previous audits that have been done of Tether, which admittedly were pretty sketchy. As with anything controversial, there are a lot of rumors flying around. One false rumor was the claim, you may have heard of it, that Binance is delisting USDT. This is not the case. You can read more about how this was a false rumor. So for accurate information and the complete story, check out all of Licia's article. Also on altcoinbuzz.io by Anindia, we have this update from yesterday. Zeux app enables spending Qtum at all shops that accept Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. Zeux app has announced that it will add Qtum. I don't know. I call it Qtum. Maybe you guys call it Quantum. Let's call it Qtum for now is how I'll refer to it. Adding Qtum to its list of payment solutions, this move will enable users to pay with Qtum at any point of sale terminal which accepts Apple Pay or Samsung Pay. Zeux app provides interoperability, hence the concerned merchant can choose to receive payment in his or her preferable currency. As an added benefit, Zeux will not charge end customers any fees for opening an account, money transfers, top-ups, or crypto payment commissions. The official announcement was made with the following tweet by @Zeux app. We're excited to announce that #Qtum holders will be able to use Zeux to spend Qtum at all shops that accept Apple Pay and Samsung Pay. Just previously, we covered a little bit of news surrounding Tether, the USDT stablecoin. If you'd like to read more about whether or not there's trouble brewing for stablecoins because the SEC might consider them securities, you can check this article out by Licia from yesterday. Just to preview it briefly, Senior Advisor for Digital Assets at the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, Valerie Szczepanik, explained why some stablecoins might be securities. In essence, she believes there are three categories. Some coins are backed by real assets like gold or real estate. Some are fiat pegged, and others use market financial mechanisms to stabilize the coin's price. She elaborated, quote, I've seen stablecoins that purport to control price through some kind of pricing mechanism, whether it's tied to the issuance, creation, or redemption of another type of digital asset tied to it, or whether it is controlled through supply and demand in some way to keep the price within a certain band. Wouldn't that be funny if they deem that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities and they come down and slam things like stablecoins like USDT as being securities? I don't necessarily see that as being the case, but at least this article suggests that there is some discussion as far as this topic goes within the board, within the body of the SEC. As always, let us know what you guys think about the issue in the comments below. And speaking of stablecoins, we're on nulltx.com here. Dash price inches closer to $100 as Dash-based stablecoin rumors swell. If you've not heard about this, in the cryptocurrency world, thousands of projects are trying to gain traction these days. One of those projects often overlooked by most enthusiasts is Dash, even though it appears to be more than a solid project. With the current Dash price trying to approach $100 again, a lot of long-term holders will be quite happy with the way things are going right now. Over the past 24 hours, the Dash price has noted some interesting gains across the board. A 3% gain in USD value brings the price to $94.31 at the time of this article's publication, which is not necessarily all that bad under the current circumstances. And here's some interesting news that may impact Dash's price, albeit indirectly. BitRefill has confirmed they added Chili's gift cards. While that is a positive development, BitRefill also supports Dash as one of the supported currencies. Finding more use cases for supported cryptocurrencies is a sign, after all, of ecosystem growth, even though it will not necessarily influence the price in any meaningful manner. Anytime I hear about Chili's, I think of Michael Scott and The Office. I don't know about you guys, maybe that's just my own quirk, but here's the tweet at BitRefill. Chili's gift cards now available for purchase. So congratulations to that partnership. I don't think it's going to change the world. Call me pessimistic. However, it's one step in the right direction. So kudos. As you guys can see, Dash is doing okay. It's flat on the hour, down slightly over the course of the last day, just under $90 at the time of this recording. But we can also see that it's up over 11% over the last week, up over 12% over the last 2 weeks, and over the last month, it's up over 16%. So overall, yeah, we're definitely seeing some positive price action with Dash. And in quick Kin news, we're on CryptoVest.com. Kin offers short-lived token swap window for ICO token holders. Within days, the window for depositing Kin to a small list of exchanges will run out, leaving Changely as the only way to swap the tokens. Holders of Kin tokens by the Kick chat app, I've been using that lately, by the way, it's not too bad, will have to move fast to swap to the new asset unless they want to lose their funds. With roughly 10,000 backers in one of the largest ICOs, the Kin project was unclear about what type of asset it would hold. The new Kin 2 tokens will replace the initial REC20 token. In a Medium post, the project describes the token swap process. The decision to migrate to a native blockchain goes against the previous readiness to support a double asset structure. The deadline to migrate Kin tokens to Kin Coin is June 12th using a swap service. The swap will also be performed automatically by exchanges, provided all token holders deposit Kin to the market operators. More information about that is available here on the Kin blog article from March 12th. Migration for ERC20 Kin holders begins today. And here on Coinspeaker.com with a curveball, Alibaba Group takes control of Alibabacoin. Alibaba Holding Group finally triumphed in their pursuit to gain solitary control over Alibabacoin, created by the ABBC Foundation, previously known as Alibabacoin Foundation. What a weird story. So to be clear, we're not saying that Alibaba is launching their own coin. They've gained control over another organization, another project that in some way, shape, or form is impersonating Alibaba. So the Chinese conglomerate finally came out victorious over the dispute that went on for a long time against the cryptocurrency startup that is based in Dubai, UAE, and Belarus, Minsk. The trademark battle has been going on since the Alibabacoin Foundation, which is now called ABBC Foundation, made the coin called Alibabacoin and proceeded to raise money through an ICO that was made available worldwide. Now, as published in many news sources worldwide, it seems that the two companies finally made a statement regarding a settlement. In another quick bit of news, also on Coinspeaker.com, Coinbase raises fees on Pro Exchange while users switch to Binance instead. The Coinbase team has announced that Coinbase Pro, the exchange's advanced trading platform, which supports features not available to the consumer platform, will experience several changes on March 22nd. The changes published in a blog post are significant. The most notable of these is an update on the fee structure, which will now impose relatively high maker fees, 0.15% for those trading less than $100,000, which is most of us, over a 30-day period. Coinbase is one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges and was one of the pioneers in popularizing cryptocurrencies and was making them accessible to the general public for investments and transactions. We already wrote of how recently one more currency has been listed on Coinbase's professional exchange, that being Stellar Lumens XLM, the native cryptocurrency of the Stellar blockchain, which is now available for active trading on Coinbase Pro. It seems like they take one step forward and two steps back. Is it just me, or has there been a lot of negative news with Coinbase lately? Ultimately, if people are putting in hundreds of thousands of dollars a month and making money on it and they're comfortable with that platform, I don't think it's going to make a difference for them. But to the average everyday trader, to those that are just entering the space, I think, yeah, maybe there will be a migration over towards Binance. Let us know in the comments below if you're a Coinbase Pro user. And if you are, is this the kind of thing that bothers you? Does it get under your skin? You can read more about it on the Coinbase blog, Coinbase Pro Market Structure Update, article from just a few days ago on March 15th. That about wraps it up, everybody. Do be sure you're following Altcoin Buzz on all the regular social media and keep checking into our website, altcoinbuzz.io. Leave us a terrific comment below with your wallet address and you get a chance at being rewarded with the Ser Ethernyte Doharis Shard. Guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. You know I wish you only the very best of luck if you choose to invest on this Monday, but hey, most importantly, have a great start to your week. And as always, we do hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.